A promising new study from Western New England University reveals that eating grapes every day may do far more than satisfy a sweet tooth. It could actually reshape the way our muscles function at a genetic level. Researchers found that long-term grape consumption changes muscle gene expression in a way that supports lean muscle development and reduces signals associated with muscle degeneration. Even more intriguing, the positive effects were especially noticeable in females, hinting at a possible sex-specific advantage that brings male and female muscle profiles closer together. While more human trials are needed, these results open the door to a potential new nutrigenomic approach for preserving muscle health throughout life. Grapes have long been known for their antioxidant properties and general health benefits, but this study pushes the understanding much further. Instead of acting only as a chemical antioxidant or simple nutrient, grapes appear to influence the expression of genes within skeletal muscle. That means they aren't just fueling the body, they're potentially steering how muscle tissue is built, maintained, and protected. According to the researchers, including senior investigator Dr. John Pizzuto, these genetic shifts elevate muscle-related genes that promote strength and functionality, while simultaneously turning down the activity of genes tied to aging and decline. That kind of dual benefit, enhancing the good while reducing the bad, is particularly rare and exciting in nutritional research. Even more compelling is the broader implication for aging. Millions of people suffer from sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass that accompanies getting older. It leads to frailty, reduced mobility, and increased risk of injury, and until now, the go-to advice has centered on exercise and high-protein diets. Those remain vital, of course, but this research suggests that the humble grape may offer an additional tool, one that works at the genetic level, potentially long before visible symptoms appear. By consuming grapes regularly, it may be possible to gently support muscle resilience as we age, helping people stay stronger and more independent for longer. The study used a model that mirrors human biology closely, examining how 2 servings of grapes per day impacted the muscle tissue of mice. Out of over 20,000 genes analyzed, researchers found that the gene activity in male and female muscles, typically very different, began to align. This convergence is both surprising and significant. It shows that the effects of grapes are systemic and may help harmonize metabolic pathways, especially in females, where the impact was most pronounced. In fact, nearly all measurable metabolic parameters between males and females were equalized by the grape intervention. That's an unprecedented finding, suggesting grapes may have a role in balancing biological disparities, not just improving overall muscle health. It's worth noting how this fits into the emerging field of nutrigenomics, which looks at how food can influence gene expression. Unlike pharmaceutical drugs, which often act by targeting specific receptors or blocking enzymes, nutrigenomic strategies aim to guide the body's natural processes through food. Grapes, rich in polyphenol and plant compounds, may be among the best candidates yet for this kind of gentle genetic modulation. They're safe, accessible, and already part of many people's diets, making them an ideal addition to broader wellness strategies. The team behind the study is already looking ahead. Future research will focus on the underlying mechanisms that drive these changes and how quickly they might occur in humans. There's a strong possibility that the muscle-enhancing effects of grapes could be seen not just in the elderly, but in younger adults and athletes seeking improved performance or recovery. If confirmed in further studies, grape consumption could become a staple of functional nutrition protocols aimed at longevity and strength. For now, the message is refreshingly simple. If you want to support your muscles, not just with protein and weights, but at the molecular level, adding a daily handful of grapes could be a smart move. With a growing body of evidence pointing toward their role in reducing inflammation, improving cardiovascular health, and now enhancing muscle gene expression, grapes are proving to be one of nature's most versatile and powerful foods. What once was just a snack might soon be considered a form of nutritional self-care with profound long-term benefits.